deposits. Okay, looks like we should have 400. Hi, how are you? I'll be right with you. Okay. Hi, welcome to Midnight Bank. How can I help you today? Okay. You want to open an account? Okay, do you have any existing accounts with us? No? Okay. Go ahead and take a seat and I'll go ahead and I'll get everything pulled up on the computer. Okay? Now you will need a federal ID. Do you have that? Okay. Just go ahead and get that out and I'll get everything set up for you. And you wanted to open a checking or a savings account? Okay. Just a checking. Yep. Okay, and you will need a minimum of $20 to open the account unless you're a student, which the minimum is $5. Okay. And you've never had an account with us before? Okay. All right, can I just have your ID, please? Thank you. I'm just gonna type in your basic info and then we'll get started with the account, okay? No, that's not necessary. Just the ID is enough. Yeah, so as long as we have the ID, the DMV confirms like the permanent address and everything. We don't do that here. No worries. Is the address on the ID correct? Okay, I'll get that from you in a minute. Okay. There is your ID back. Thank you. And then now I am just going to need your full address. I'm going to write it down here as well because I'll need it again later. Go ahead. Okay. Got it. Just gonna keep that next to me as a reminder, so that's fine. Okay. Perfect. What's a good phone number for you? Sorry. That's fine. Go ahead. Oops. All right, good. Okay, and what's the best email address for you? All right, perfect. And what is your social security number? That's right. Okay. Go ahead and look at your screen there. Make sure everything I typed in is correct. Okay, and then for your card, you want to send it to the address you provided to me earlier. Okay, just retype that one in. Okay, so the card does take 3 to 5 business days to arrive, so you won't be able to use the card until then. That's correct. Now, once you use the card, you will be able to set up your online banking. I'm going to give you the web address, okay? Okay, and then I am going to write down your checking and routing number. Yep, and you're just going to use that to log in. And you'll obviously remember your email and your phone number. You'll need to use two-factor authentication for that. Yep. Okay, and then finally your deposit of at least $20. You're going to do 50? Okay, I'll just take that. Thank you. And I'm just going to put a deposit slip. I'm going to fill that out for you. That's just protocol. I have to do that. So, do deposit. Yep. 50. Just going to run this through the machine. Okay, make sure it's real. Let's just have to do that. And then I'll do a checking number. Okay, perfect. If you could just sign the deposit slip there. Thank you. And I'm going to just stamp that. That's all completed. Did you need a copy of your deposit slip? No? Okay, perfect. I'll just put that in my file here. Okay, perfect. There is all of your information for your account. You have a great day. Hi, welcome to Midnight Bank. How can I help you today? You wanted to apply for a loan? Sure. So for loan applications, we need, do you have an account with us already? Okay, and do your paychecks go to that account? Okay, and you have your ID? Okay, your social security number, and then obviously, like I said, your proof of employment. And we do have to run a credit check. You're good with that? Okay. Let me just grab the application. Okay, so do you know what kind of loan you would like to apply for? Okay, so it depends on what you're looking to get. Here is a write-up of the loans that we have here at this branch. So just your normal loans. We have mortgage, we have a secured car loan, just a regular unsecured loan, and then a secured loan for something else. And we do have land loans. Okay, you're doing a car loan? Okay, and do you have the estimate for the payment? Yeah, I can't wait. Go ahead, take your time. This one. Okay, so $27,095.58. Okay. And I'm just going to calculate your taxes and title here because it's not included. Is that okay? All right. Going to set that back there for you, and I have your right up here. So after everything out the door, you're looking at about $33,500. Yeah, so I see that you had on here as well. You had a $2,000 bumper to bumper warranty, limited warranty for 2 years. Did you want to keep that? Okay, I'll take that off. So that gets you down to about 31.5. Good? All right. So we're gonna be financing about 31.5. Sure. Yep. So you're looking at about 2,000 roughly in taxes, 600 for the title, and then 300 for the tag. So yeah, about 30.5. Okay, and what is your gross monthly income? And do you have any other adjustable income, child support, alimony? Okay. How much is that? And you're receiving it once a month? Okay. And do you have any liens or judgments against you? Okay. And have you declared bankruptcy in the last 7 years? Okay. And do you have a rent or a mortgage payment right now? Okay, how much is that a month? Okay, and what is your account number? If you don't mind, I'll go ahead and type it in. We should be able to see your pay statements. I don't have anything under the account number. Do you want me to try again? Just, yeah, read me your debit card number. Go ahead. Okay, got it. Can I see your ID just to verify you're the account holder? All right, thank you. And can you verify your social, please? Okay, I'll set that with your estimates. Yep. And do you have a, an estimated, oh my gosh, the estimated title? This folder here? Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I just need the VIN, so they're not going to give you the title, they'll send it to us. VIN. Here it is. Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay, so this is the VIN, current mileage, and car description, license, no license, obviously. Okay. Yep. Okay, so it's interior black, exterior black, 63,000 miles. Okay, and I got the VIN here. Okay, this all looks good. Let me go ahead and put this into the system if you don't mind. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the VIN. Okay, and yeah, the Kelly Blue Book value is about 30,000, so that's fine. That'll be fine for the value of the loan. And then let's do 30,000 miles. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back in your folder. I'm gonna type in the make and model. So it's a Toyota Tundra. Tacoma, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, and I have your account here. I see your pay stub income, but I don't see the alimony. Okay. Did you want to take that off of the estimated income? You can certainly verify it separately, but we would have to do that if you wanted to include it as part of the income consideration for the loan. Okay, so we'll remove it for now. We can revisit it if you need it to get approved, but if you don't need it to get approved, it's really not necessary. Okay, so yep, and actually your gross is a little bit over what you reported, so that's always good. And what's your social security number? Thank you. And do you consent to me pulling a copy of your credit report? Okay. It looks like you have a lock on your credit. Do you have the 4-digit passcode? Oh, I'm sorry, you have a 6-digit on yours. Okay, go ahead. Perfect. All right, perfect. Looks like your credit score is 723, so that's great. Yeah, we actually, we use Experian. Do you want a copy of your credit report today? Okay. All right, just hold tight for a moment. I'm gonna do a couple figures for your loan. Make sure you're within your debt to income and everything, and then we'll get you moving along, okay? You have a current car loan on here. Is it going to be traded in? Okay, that one is $600 a month, so that you're going to be trading it in with to get this car. Okay, so I will remove that from your total debt. No problem. Did you want to do a 5-year loan? Okay, 72 months. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. We do up to 87, 72. Okay, that's a good number. And when were you looking to purchase the car? Okay, as soon as possible. Perfect. Let's see. 600 minus mortgage. Okay, yeah, we can do that. Are you gonna do automatic payments? Okay. Yeah, that gives you another 0.25% off of your interest rate. Yeah, interest rates are pretty high right now. Okay, so with your credit score, we can do a 4.5% interest rate, which is actually pretty good considering right now. That would put you at about a $400 a month payment roughly. Now, you didn't get the $2,000 warranty for the vehicle. So I did want to show you the options that we have available. There's just a little pamphlet here. And obviously no pressure, but we do have some options for warranties through us, and they're usually a little bit cheaper, and they're just wrapped up in your monthly payment. Yeah, so you have a truck, you're buying a Tacoma, you said? Yeah, and Toyotas are good typically, so I would look at it. These three that I circled, they're the cheapest but have the best comprehensive coverage. So just set those there for you to look at while I'm finishing up your loan, okay? Oops, sorry. This one. Yeah. And were you looking to do gap coverage? That is if you wreck your vehicle, like you buy it, you wreck it, let's say tomorrow, and the value of the car has already gone down because you purchased it by, let's say, $5,000. You would not owe $5,000. We would absorb that. Okay, let me check for you. For this vehicle, gap's pretty small. It's about $28 a month on your payment. Want to do it? It's honestly a good choice. Most people do not regret that. Okay. Did you decide on whether you wanted to do any warranty? This one? Okay, let me add that in to your payment. Okay, so if I add the gap coverage and then I also added your warranty, and you're doing the 72-month payback period, you're looking at $458 a month. Yep. Okay. 87 months. You're looking at $427. I always recommend paying the car off earlier. If you push it out, you're not gonna miss $30 a month, but you are gonna be excited to pay your car off here sooner. So 72. Okay. So I'm gonna write this up then for $458. Total loan value will be $31,629. All right. Yep. There's no penalty for early payoff. Okay. Perfect. Now, the loan department right across the hall is going to give you your cashier's check to take back to the dealership. We will hold that for 28 days to receive the loan. If we do not, then we can actually put something on your credit report that you're delinquent and pick up the car. I put all of your information back in here, and then I also am adding the copy of your credit report that we used today with the 723 score. All your information is up here. Inquiries here in the center, and then of course all of the credit information is there. Okay, so you will just need to take this form that I just stamped. You're going to go to our loan department, and they will cut you the final check, okay? Yeah, congratulations on your new vehicle. I hope you enjoy it. It was a pleasure working with you today. There you go. Have a good one. Hi, welcome to Midnight's Bank. How are you? I'm doing great. Yeah, it's a busy day. How can I help you? Okay, you wanted to deposit some money in your account? Sure. Do you have your account number? Okay. Okay, perfect. And do you have your ID with you? Yeah, take your time finding it. Thank you. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much. And what is the security code on your account? Okay, perfect. Let me just get a deposit slip out. It's super rainy out there, isn't it? Didn't realize how hard it was coming down. I know, it's rained so much this year. I've kind of liked it. I know. All right, let me just get your information on here. And how much were you depositing today? Okay, I can take the money. Thank you. And this will be everything? And you want it just into your checking or your savings? Just gonna count it, okay. Okay, I counted 1,000, is that correct? Okay, I'd just like to verify with my customer that they think I have as much as they think I have. Okay, so we're gonna do a $1,000 deposit into your checking account. I'm just gonna run that through the machine. And if you don't mind, could you just sign the deposit slip for me? Thank you. I'm just going to verify your signature. I thought I'd seen you before. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. How's the car? You got a Corvette, didn't you? That's what I thought. Yeah. That's awesome. Okay, and did you want a slip of your current balance, or do you just want me to tell you or write it down for you? Okay, your current balance in your account with the 1,000, which is effective immediately since you deposited cash, is going to be $7,389.72. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, the first Corvette payment is going to come out on June 7th. Of course. You're welcome. There's your checking receipt for your deposit today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Hi, welcome in. How can I help you? Uh-huh. Okay, so you think that they made a mistake? I can help you, don't worry. Okay, let me pull up your account. What's your name? And your last name? And what is your date of birth? All right. Yep, looks like you were here yesterday morning. Yeah, I wasn't here yet. That's you came in pretty much when we opened. Okay, and it looks like you made a deposit of $72. $720. Okay, no problem. Let me just check the drawer. It comes out. We typically find the error if someone just missed a zero. So it probably came out in the drawer totals yesterday. And we can always look at the cameras and stuff, so don't worry, we'll be able to verify everything. Okay. Yeah. This one is your deposit slip? Okay, that's great because I can see what drawer, like what person helped you, so I can see what drawer. Yeah, it was batch 5, so I can check this. Oh, I would be worried too. It's okay. We'll figure it out. I think I found it. Yep. Yeah, we can move it back. It's fine. Okay, yep, I found the money. It just came out in batch 5's drawer at the end of the day, so we were actually doing an audit of all the transactions that day, so this kind of helped. Yeah. And the drawer was already off at 7:45 and you came in at 7:30, so yeah. We knew it happened before 7:45, so it kind of limited our audit there. Okay, so do you want it in cash or would you like it in your checking account? $100. Okay. Do you mind if I use this for another second? I just need to write this up because I'm going to give you $100 cash. Okay. $100 batch 5. Okay. No, you don't need to sign. I can sign this one because it's our error. Let me just go ahead and total out the drawer so it doesn't come up uneven again. Okay. And let me get you your money. Just want the bill or you want me to put an envelope for you? Okay, there you go. I'm so sorry about that, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Let's total out this drawer. Hi, can I help you? Yeah, you want to make a withdrawal from your account? I can actually do that right now. And do you have your account number? It's okay. What's your full name? And your last name? All right, and your social, please. It's loading, I'm sorry. Yep, gotcha. Okay, let me see your ID. That's okay. Okay, there you go. And how much did you want to take out of your account today? Okay, I just need to write up a slip for you, a withdrawal slip for you to sign, okay? Just give me 1 moment to get all your information on here. And how much did you want to withdraw? Okay. Perfect. Dates. Okay. And if you're all good with that total, if you could just sign the deposit slip right there at the bottom. Okay. Just total everything up and we'll get you your money. Did you need an envelope today? No envelope? Okay. Yeah, that's easy. Yep. Okay. And then let me just get you your cash. Okay, I'm just gonna count it for you in front of you. Okay. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850. Okay, great. Anything else that I can help you with? All right, there you go, and I hope you have a great day.